Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a what's for dinner video. I'm just going to be featuring 3 recipes this time. Like I've said before, it's hard for me to do these because I am one person who lives in this house and I don't cook full meals that often. So I filmed a few here, I think the last month or so. But these are just 3 very easy meals, and I will talk you through some of it. Some of it will be music. This first one, I'm just taking some pre-cut sweet potatoes and some sausages that I was needing to use up. And I just sliced the sausages, and of course the sweet potatoes were already cut. Put them on a cookie sheet and covered them in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and baked them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, I believe, until the sweet potatoes get soft. And this was just a healthier take on chili cheese fries because I just served chili out of a can on top of them, but I completely forgot to get that clip, so that's just an idea for you. This meal, I put the recipe right here. I will link these down below. This was called queso smothered chicken, and this was not a crock pot recipe. I just made it into a crock pot recipe, but you'll just see me adding all the ingredients into the crock pot, and it was done within 4 hours on high. The chicken breasts are frozen completely. So it got done pretty quick. But yeah, pretty much you just dump everything in there. I wasn't even measuring really. I mean, that exact, it doesn't really matter. But I just kindly eyeballed everything, and it was really good. It's kind of spicy, so if you don't like, it's not too spicy because I'm not a huge fan of really spicy stuff, but it does have a little kick to it. But it was really good and super simple to make, so I would recommend this. This last recipe in this video is a crockpot lasagna, and I don't really have a recipe for this. I will try to find one similar, but I kind of just made this up off of some other recipes I've seen, but just kindly put my own take on it. But I'll try to find one similar to link. But all you do is pretty much prepare your stuff like regular lasagna and layer it in the crock pot. And I use cheese-filled frozen raviolis instead of like noodles and ricotta cheese. So you'll just see me preparing it and then layering it all, and it was really good too. thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and got some easy, simple dinner ideas. And if you haven't and you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe. But until next time, see y'all.